Hi, my name is Brian Staggs. I'm the Farms Controller with Harris Farms, Inc. We converted to Famous in 1998, so we've been on it roughly, 12 years? When Harris Farms started with Famous, we were strictly doing crop accounting on it. But we knew that we would ultimately grow into a broader grower, shipper, packer set of needs, and so we knew that we could grow into the product from there. The Harris family commenced operations here on the west side of Fresno County in 1937 with 640 acres. In fact, I think that we're actually standing on it. And since that time has grown into a significant and diverse agricultural company. They're involved in beef feeding and packing, and they have their own branded beef program. They're in the hospitality business with Harris Ranch Inn and Restaurant. They raise and train and race horses. We're farming approximately 20,000 acres, and we have interest in an almond processing and marketing company, as well as a tomato cannery. I think the thing that we like the best about the product is its ease of use, especially for new, sometimes seasonal workers. We can train a person in a very short period of time and have them up and functional and productive for us. Unlike our cost accounting on the farms, which is extensive, we also use Famous for our packer-shipper operations in fresh garlic and fresh onions. And in those operations, we're tracking 1 million bags of onions in and out and a considerable quantity of garlic, both at the finished goods level as well as in the work in process stage. Anytime a piece of equipment rolls through a field, we track its usage by the type of operation that it's performing, as well as the field that it's operating in. And in addition to the power unit, the tractor itself, we also track the usage of the implements that the tractor is pulling. In western Fresno County and maybe California in general, water is a big deal these days, and there are significant shortages. So we track the number of acre feet that have been applied to each field, and that tracking is done through Famous as well. We have a unique system of getting payroll data fed into the machine for processing, unlike the sort of old school way of doing it where people turn in time cards and you go through a long and arduous exercise to compile that data. We give our field supervisors handheld PDAs, and they, on the spot, enter payroll data as to the hours worked and the particular job function that's been done. We then retrieve those PDAs at the end of the day or the week, and Famous compiles that data for us so that we were literally running a payroll of several hundred people with just one individual. You know, it's almost like, we've just never been down, ever. We don't have a lot of issues that we need backup and support on, but when we do, Famous is always super responsive, I would say. We're involved in a project now with another Famous customer who's supplying some labor contractor services to us. So we're involved in a project of doing an sort of informal EDI with them where we can transmit data back and forth, Famous user to Famous user. We've only been with Famous for about 12 years now, but things are so easy and so automatic that we really don't have to try that hard with it. Any issues that do come up are promptly solved, but other than that, we're pretty much on autopilot. Hi, my name is Brian Staggs. I'm the Farms Controller with Harris Farms, Inc., and I love Famous.
Since 1975, Famous Software has provided integrated accounting, inventory, and management software solutions to leading fresh produce grower, packer, shipper, and brokerage enterprises worldwide.